Today we are talking about Michelle. She was always nervous about smiling in public simply because of the judgment she has faced. She has always suffered from having bad teeth because she did not have good oral hygiene growing up. She also has celiac, which can damage your tooth enamel. Michelle realized something was very wrong when she went down to bite on a burger and her tooth fell out. She knew right then and there it was definitely time for a change. One of her biggest reasons with coming to Nuvia is she knew that she could make a difference in the world by spreading the message of love. And the first step with that is loving yourself by getting a new set of teeth. One of the things she loved about Nuvia is she felt no judgment coming here and getting her treatment done.
I'm Dr. Neilsen. I'm going to talk to you a patient who recently came into us. This is Michelle. Michelle came in with, she already had 4 implants on the upper. They're just single tooth implants, and she had them placed by an oral surgeon. Did a great job. She was happy with them, but she had a lot of other teeth failing, and she wanted to go to a full fixed upper and lower. As you can see, I have the x-ray turned to the side, so it's if her head is looking towards me right now. So this is the patient's left side. You can see abscesses and infection all over here. When you move it to the other side, same thing, lots of abscesses and infection. But when you look up here, these implants were placed really well, really big bone grafts placed up there. Most of the time I like to take out implants if they were already placed, just because they're using different systems. There's usually, if you're coming in here, you usually have other infection and bone loss associated with it. But on Michelle, her implants looked great, and I want to do everything I can to keep those implants in. So we were able to get the right parts so that we could convert what she already had to a fixed prosthetic, so something that she screws in and does not take out. So for the procedure, we removed Michelle's remaining lower teeth, we removed her front teeth, but kept the 2 implants over here and kept the 2 implants on that side. All we did is take off the crowns. I added 2 more implants to the front, and we were able to get a great spread. So she had 6 implants on the upper to be able to screw in the teeth and get great support, and everything worked out really well, and Michelle is very happy with the way her teeth look and the way she functions now. She's not in any more pain, able to eat whatever she wants. And now I'll show you a post-op x-ray so you can see what those implants look like all together. All right, this is Michelle's post-op x-ray. So we were able to place 4 implants in the lower, get a really good spread. These were the implants she already had, these 2, and she had 2 over here. I added 2 more to the front, so she had 6 implants on the upper, like I said. Very good support, and then we were able to get good spread on the lower and 4 implants on the lower. And we just gave her permanent prosthetics, and they look fantastic. She's very happy with them, and she's actually getting married soon. So she did this for her wedding, and she's very happy with the new smile that she has. So Michelle came into us after being referred here by her fiance. He had had the same procedure done just on the upper a few months earlier, and he loved his experience, and he told her all about it, got her really excited. And so she came in and she absolutely loved the process, loved going through all of it, and loves her new teeth. And now both her and her future husband are gonna get married soon, and they are happy, and they both have beautiful, perfect smiles for their wedding.
My experience with Nuvia has been amazing. I've been really nervous about my mouth and opening it up to people because there's been so much judgment about it, and I didn't feel that at all here. It was very comfortable, almost like I had normal teeth from the beginning. Very non-judgmental. The energy was amazing. We had gone to another place and I was like, I don't like the energy. I've always had bad teeth. My parents didn't teach me good oral health growing up, and then I have celiac, and I didn't realize that celiac could damage your enamel and your teeth. And by the time I started really worrying about my teeth, it was so far on the track of just like not being able to fix it. Just by going to the dentist, it was gonna take a lot of time and a lot of money. Guess I wasn't ready to invest in myself at that point. So what changed? Self-love. That's what changed. And then you put yourself out there differently, and I was putting myself out there. I wasn't completely putting myself out there because people judge you so much with your mouth and your teeth. And I wanted to make videos and Like, I'm really wanting to put myself out there and brand, like, love, what would love do, make a really big difference in the world. And you can't do it when you can't show up. You cannot make a difference if you're not going to be able to show up fully. And I know this is just going to totally change everything for me, because I already feel like I should be smiling and open and sharing everything with people. But even when I laugh, I'm like, I laugh. Even now, it's like, oh. But I know there's gonna be an after. So I'm like, oh. Was there a time that I noticed there was really something going on? I went and got a hamburger, and I bit into it, and I crunched down on something. And I was like, at first I thought it was something really nasty in my burger. I pulled out my whole tooth, a crown I had just fixed just within a couple of years ago. The whole thing right at the root just broke off right in my hand. I still don't have it. They had to pull it completely out because it was non-fixable. I started to feel panicked because it's not like it's the first tooth. It's getting less and less, and they're getting worse and worse. And I'm sure it is affecting how I feel because I'm tired a lot. I can't eat properly. My stomach's not digesting my food properly because I'm not able to break it down. I've had a lot of health issues, and they're saying it could have stemmed down to my mouth the whole time. What am I looking forward to the most? Smiling. I can't wait to smile with my bottom teeth and just not. It's a habit. It's all the time. Even when I laugh, it's a habit. It's like I just do it. I know it's gonna take a minute to get used to it. I might actually wait, no. That's what I'm looking forward to. That moment when I go, oh, no, I don't have to do that. I'm gonna smile. I'm gonna smile big. I found Nuvia through my to-be. He had quite the similar story as mine with the teeth falling apart. I remember when he went, I've been in his life for a while, so what's the build up? I'm getting my teeth fixed, I'm getting my teeth, this place, oh, they're fabulous. And then he came and got them done. And I saw him right afterwards, and I'm like, whoa, you look amazing. And so when he realized the problem, when I smile, I look normal. He didn't realize the extent of the damage in my mouth until one day I just started crying to him about the priority of how I want my mouth to be a priority over silly things, and he's like, I had no idea that this was this serious to you. And he says, I know where we're gonna go. He's like, my dentist did great. And we came here, and he was right from the very beginning. Even calling on the phone, they were awesome, making the appointment. They were very friendly, got us right in, easy to make an appointment with. And then when we came in, they were smiling. The energy, it's a different energy in this building with the people. I've been to a lot of dentists, and this one is special. It really is. It's good energy. You're worth it. I would tell myself you're worth it, and to make the investment. I was talking with him. I was like, this is the first time I've ever invested in myself. And it's my other half also is part of it. It's the first time anyone else has invested in me. So it's a big deal for both of us.
Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Nuvia Smile Stories. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel because we release a new episode every week.